I will be discussing today the oxy and peroxy acids of sulfur. Dear students, myself Dr. Digna Varghese. Contents of the presentation: oxy acids of sulfur, structure of oxy acids of sulfur, peroxy acids of sulfur, structure of peroxy acids of sulfur. Oxo acids contain sulfur-sulfur linkage, acidic strength of oxy and peroxy acids of sulfur. Oxy acids. An oxo acid, or sometimes it is called oxy acid, is an acid that contains oxygen. To be more specific, an oxo acid is an acid that it contains oxygen. It contains at least one other element. It has at least one hydrogen atom bonded to oxygen. It forms an ion by the loss of one or more protons in solution. An oxyacid molecule contains the structure XOH, where other atoms or atoms groups can be connected to the central atom X. The general form of the oxyacid is XOH, which is in equilibrium with XO minus plus H plus when in aqueous solution. Sometimes it is ionizes as X plus plus OH minus. Here X is the sulfur atom. Oxy acids of sulfur. Sulfur, selenium and tellurium forms a variety of oxyacids. For example, sulfur forms sulfurous acid, sulfuric acid, permonosulfuric acid, per-disulfuric acid, thiosulfuric acid, dithionic acid, pyrosulfuric acid. Selenium forms selenous acid, selenic acid. Tellurium forms tellurous acid, telluric acid. None of the oxyacids of sulfur in which there are sulfur-sulfur bonds has any non-analog of selenium or tellurium. In the case of selenium or tellurium, there is no selenium-selenium linkage or tellurium-tellurium linkage. But in the case of thionic acids, sulfur-sulfur bond is exist. Some of the oxyacids of sulfur are unstable. Sulfurous acid or trioxosulfuric acid, its molecular formula is H2SO3. An aqueous solution of sulfur dioxide is generally referred to as sulfurous acid. That is, sulfur dioxide dissolved in water to give sulfurous acid. The acid is known only in solution. It is fairly strong acid and is being diprotic acid. Its basicity is 2. It ionizes in two stages as H2SO3 in water, giving H plus plus HSO3 minus, HSO3 minus in equilibrium with H plus plus HSO3 2 minus. The acid acts as a strong reducing agent with which it gets oxidized to sulfuric acid even by atmospheric oxygen. It acts as a bleaching agent due to its reducing properties. The bleaching is believed to be due to the reduction of the colored compounds to colorless leucobases. The color is often restored on exposure to air for a long time due to reoxidation of the leucobases. Structure of sulfurous acid. The structure of sulfurous acid is pyramidal. The hybridization is sp3 hybridization. 3 sigma bonds between the sulfur and oxygen, and there is only one pi bond, that is d pi p pi bond. The structure of the sulfurous acid is pyramidal. There is one lone pair and 3 bond pairs of electrons, and here there is 3 sigma bonds between sulfur and oxygen, and there is only one pi bond is between sulfur and oxygen, that is d pi p pi bond, that is formed by the overlap of d unhybridized d orbital of the sulfur atom and p orbital of oxygen atom and forming a d pi p pi bond by the sidewise overlap between the orbitals. The conjugate bases of this elusive acid are however common anions bisulfate or hydrogen sulfide ion. The structure is shown here. The sulfide ions that are the conjugate bases of this sulfurous acid. Sulfurous acid is an intermediate species in the formation of acid rain from sulfur dioxide. Sulfuric acid or tetraoxosulfuric acid, its molecular formula is H2SO4. It is the most important oxo acids of sulfur. It is known as the most important heavy chemicals. Sulfuric acid is sometimes referred to as the king of chemicals because it is produced worldwide in such large quantities. The acid is manufactured by contact process. It has a tetrahedral structure and the structure is shown here. It is a dibasic acid because it has two hydrogen atoms which is attached to the oxygen atoms, and it ionizes in water giving H plus or H3O plus plus HSO4 minus. HSO4 minus plus in water giving H plus plus SO4 2 minus. So there is two replaceable hydrogen atoms, so it is a dibasic acid. It is actually a strong acid. It is colorless and it has a nature of viscous heavy liquid. It has a high boiling point, that is 340 degrees Celsius, and viscosity of sulfuric acid indicate the association of sulfuric acid molecules due to hydrogen bonding. In between the molecules, it forms intermolecular hydrogen bonding between one of the oxo-oxygen atom of the sulfuric acid, which is hydrogen bonded to the hydrogen atom of the neighboring sulfuric acid molecule. So it is a highly viscous liquid. Pyrosulfuric acid H2S2O7 its molecular formula. It is also known as disulfuric acid or oleum. It is obtained by dissolving sulfur trioxide in sulfuric acid. When sulfur trioxide in concentrated sulfuric acid, we will get oleum. It is a viscous brownish liquid. It fumes in air and hence named fuming sulfuric acid because oleum is a solution of sulfur trioxide in concentrated sulfuric acid. It solidifies on cooling below 0 degrees Celsius. It is used in the manufacture of dyes, explosives and in refining of petroleum. Structure of pyrosulfuric acid is shown here and it is named as mu-oxo-hexaoxo disulfuric acid because here the one oxygen atom is acts as a bridge between the two sulfur atoms, so it is represented as mu-oxo, and there is other total 6 oxygen atom, that is by hexaoxo, and it is 2 sulfuric acid units here and therefore disulfuric acid. Mu-oxo hexaoxo disulfuric acid. Peroxo acids. In addition to the simple oxo acids that contain one oxygen atom, sulfur forms 2 peroxosulfuric acids containing oxygen-oxygen linkage. 2 peroxosulfuric acids are known. These are, one is peroxomonosulfuric acid and the other one is peroxodisulfuric acid. Peroxomonosulfuric acid or persulfuric acid or Caros acid. Its molecular formula is H2SO5. It is a monobasic acid. The salts of acid peroxosulfuric acid are unstable and decompose producing hydrogen peroxides. The salts of Caros acid is KHSO5, K2SO4. Structure of Caros acid is shown here. We can see from the structure there is an oxygen-oxygen linkage. So it is acts as a peroxo acid, and it is a peroxo monosulfuric acid or Caros acid. Peroxo disulfuric acid H2S2O8 is its molecular formula, and it is also known as Marshall's acid. It is isolated as a crystalline solid. It is rapidly dissolved in water. When peroxo disulfuric acid in aqueous solution, it dissolves and forming Caros acid and sulfuric acid. The salts of peroxo disulfuric acid is ammonium disulfate and potassium disulfate, which forms easily. Structure: in this it is a peroxo acid, so it has a oxygen linkage, and it is a peroxo disulfuric acid. It has a 2 sulfuric acid units, so it is known as peroxo disulfuric acid. Thiosulfuric acid, its molecular formula is H2S2O3. It is also known as trioxothiosulfuric acid or sulfur oxo acid. The acid cannot be made by acidifying aqueous thiosulfate salt solution, as the acid readily decomposes in water. So anhydrous methods of producing the acid were developed by Carroll and Smith, because if it is treating the aqueous thiosulfate salt solutions, the acid readily decomposes in water. So anhydrous methods can be used for the preparation of the acid, that is hydrogen sulfate treated with the sulfur trioxide forming thiosulfuric acid in ether, and its structure is, it is a tetrahedral structure like sulfuric acid, and here thiosulfuric acid may be regarded as derived from sulfuric acid structure by the replacement of one oxygen atom by sulfur atom. So the structure can be easily drawn from the sulfuric acid structure by the replacement of one oxygen atom by sulfur atom and forming thiosulfuric acid. Oxo acids containing sulfur-sulfur linkage. First one is dithionous acid H2S2O4. The acid H2S2O4 is not known, but its salts in anhydrous form are known. Dithionides are unstable compounds and hydrolyze rapidly. Its structure is like this: there is a sulfur-sulfur linkage, and there is 2 oxo groups and 2 replaceable hydrogen atom attached to the oxygen. Another oxo acid containing sulfur-sulfur linkage is dithionic acid. Molecular formula is H2S2O6. The free acid has not been prepared. It is known only in solution. Preparation of acid: barium salt of acid reacts with sulfuric acid forming H2S2O6. It is the free acid is not prepared yet, but it is known only in solution, so it is in aqueous state plus barium sulfate. And the structure of the compound is, there is a sulfur-sulfur linkage, and there is 4 oxo oxygen and 2 hydroxyl groups. So these are the main oxo acids contain sulfur-sulfur linkage. Polythionic acids. The free acids are not stable. They rapidly decompose to give sulfur, sulfur dioxide and sulfates. Structure is, polythionic acid contains SS linkages, and their general structure may be represented as shown in this figure, that is, in between sulfur linkage there is n number of sulfur-sulfur linkages are present, so it is known as polythionic acids. The polythionic acids and polythionates are named according to the total number of sulfur atoms present in the molecule. That is, it has the general formula for their anions SO3 minus Sn SO3 minus. If it is a trithionates, S3O6 2 minus. If it is a tetrathionates, S4O6 2 minus. If it is a pentathionates, S5O6 2 minus. Pentathionic acid has the formula H2S5O6. Its structure is, there is 5 sulfur atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sulfur atoms and 2 replaceable hydrogen atoms, that is here and here, and total number of oxygen atom is 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it is the pentathionic acid having the formula H2S5O6. Let's summarize briefly what we have looked at. Therefore, acids of sulfur, oxoacids of sulfur, that is divided into 4 series. They are sulfurous acid series, sulfuric acid series, thionic acid series, peroxo acid series. Oxoacids containing sulfur-sulfur linkages are called thioacids, while those with peroxy linkages, that is oxygen-oxygen linkages, are called peroxo acids. Sulfur forms several acids. If for it forms sulfuric acid and the anion is sulfate, and it forms disulfuric acid having the formula H2S2O7 and forming disulfate anion. Peroxomonosulfuric acid formula is H2SO5. Peroxomonosulfate is the anion, and peroxodisulfuric acid H2S2O8. Peroxodisulfate is its formula, and in these acids +6 is the oxidation state of sulfur, or +6 is the oxidation state of acid. And another acid forms is dithionic acid H2S2O6. Dithionate is anion, and polythionic acid X is 3 of 4 in H2SXO6. Polythionates is formed as its anion. In this case, sulfur shows +5 oxidation state. And sulfurous acid H2SO3, sulfite is the anion. Disulfurous acid H2S2O5, disulfite is the anion, and in this acids +4 is the oxidation state. Thiosulfuric acid H2S2O3, thiosulfate is the anionic form, and +4 is the oxidation state. H2S2O4, dithionous acid, dithionite is the anion, and H2S2O2, thiosulfurous acid, thiosulfite is the anion. In this, sulfur shows +3 oxidation state. Sulfoxylic acid H2SO2, sulfoxylate hyposulfite SO2 2 minus, +2 is the oxidation state. H2S2O2, dihydroxy disulfane, +1 is the oxidation state. And sulfenic acid HSOH, sulfur has the 0 oxidation state. So these are the major acids. The most important acids are we already discussed here. Sulfur shows several series of acids, that is sulfurous acid series contains sulfurous acid, di or pyrosulfurous acid, dithionous acid. Sulfuric acid contains sulfuric acid, thiosulfuric acid, di or pyrosulfuric acid, and thionic acid series containing dithionic acid, polythionic acid. Peroxo acid series containing peroxomonosulfuric acid, peroxodisulfuric acid. These are the major oxy or peroxo acids of sulfur, and also the sulfur containing sulfur-sulfur linkages, if it is a thionic acid series, and sulfur containing oxygen-oxygen linkages in some peroxo acid series, and these are the major acids of sulfur. Acidic strength of oxy and peroxy acids of sulfur. Some pKa values of acids is given here. For sulfurous acid, pKa1 is 1.79, pKa2 is 6.92. That means the first ionization, the pKa1 is 1.79. For the second ionization, pKa2, that is 6.92. For sulfuric acid, -2 and 1.92. For H2SO3, 0.6 and 1.74. And H2SO5, 0.1 and 9.3. We know the stronger acids have lower pKa and vice versa. So sulfuric acid is the most stronger acid among these oxy and peroxo acids of sulfur. Thank you for listening me.